I was in the military for 2 years, and when I got out, I immediately wanted to go to school for something in the medical field. It's always been my passion and my desire. So I chose diagnostic medical sonography. It's really important to take your education seriously and to take advantage of every opportunity that you have and every resource that you have.
Everything that I've experienced here is great, and just the program itself is very educational. It opens your eyes to a lot of new things that you didn't think were involved in the sonography world. And I'm ready to start a new career and accomplish new things in life. I feel like SJVC is teaching me what I need to know for my career and be the best I can in my career.
Every day when the students come into the lab, they have a specific skill that they are completing for that week. So they rotate between students and they practice on one another. And today they were scanning the thyroid.
We scan each other's body parts and we talk to each other as if we're the patient or the tech. And it just gives you that comfortability that you need and want before you go out in the real world. So you know that, okay, I'm doing something right and I got this.
We expect our students to come in and have a level of professionalism. We want them to have goals for themselves, and we want to see that they are successful in their field.
Me going to school and my daughter seeing that is definitely going to motivate them and push them and just give them that reminder that they can do anything they want in life, no matter how old they are and no matter what life brings you.